to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying indoors. I tricked you guys last night asking what today's video is going to be. I gave you a little bit of sneak peek of my outfits as well, but 81% of you guys thought that this is a fall lookbook, but it's not. Of course, it's very clear from my title. But this is an Indian outfits inspiration video where I am going to be creating DIY outfits from whatever I have in my wardrobe, and I've created 3 DIY outfits for you guys. And one of the major components I had in my mind when I was creating these looks was comfort, because mostly during our festivals we are going to be still in quarantine. You might be in the mood to go ahead and dress up fully, and that's totally cool. But for my ladies who want to have comfort but do not want to give up on their fashion and also cannot go outside, this video is especially for you guys. So without making this intro super long, let's get straight into the video, and I hope you guys really enjoy this and this inspires you to create your own DIY outfit. Skirt and top for an Indian outfit video. So I'm going to show you how I turned this party outfit into an Indian outfit from scratch. It's like DIY Indian outfit. So this is usually a top and a skirt that I would wear out when I'm going clubbing. What's this? So I'm going to pair this top with my long skirt that you guys have been seeing all over my Instagram, because yes, I do have just one skirt here. This is also inspired from my outfit that I wore last year for Diwali, and silver jewelry for the win, silver junk for the win, because that's nothing more Indian than silver jewelry. And also all of my outfits are pretty boho, so it's really simple to mix match western wear with Indian outfits when you take that boho route. So I'm just wearing bangles because hum aise hai, and then just tying it up with my black moccasin studded that I have been wearing every time I wear my Indian outfit. Cause you can't expect a girl to stand straight if she's wearing a skirt, right? She's not gonna stand straight for sure. So of course I'm gonna twirl, and I absolutely love how this looks. I changed from an entire party wear to an outfit that I can easily wear for a Diwali party or a chill party with your friends. Hello, Hampton's calling. I'm gonna answer. This look is inspired by my love for the summer in Hamptons, and obviously I'm not going to Hamptons because you still can't travel. I just want to wear linen all day. If you are wondering how I'm going to turn this outfit into an Indian outfit, keep on watching. I'm using skirt to judge this outfit into an Indian wear, and for my linen shirt, which is actually a standard collar, I want to make it more like proper collar. That's why I just used a safety pin and pinned the top. Be careful you guys, and I am just layering it with this silver 3-piece layer set. Of course, silver jewelry, silver earrings, because we are going bohemian all the way, and jutis for the win. This look is so inspired from my Banjaran side. I don't know, I feel like dancing. Do you feel like dancing? Skirt out a bit so that it overlaps the lining of your skirt, and roll up your sleeves so that it looks more casual. This outfit is perfect for a morning celebration or a morning puja. And the last outfit is for we girls who love pants, and I have been living in my linen pants all summer. I have this beaded headband, makes me look like, I don't know, like an Indian princess. Gonna wear a kimono type shrug on it that I have, wearing my Indian silver jewelry for the win. I'm just gonna tie up my hair for this look because I think it looks way better, or maybe I might put it down a little, but right for now I feel like I need to tie up my hair to give it more edgier look. And same earrings, wearing those same jeweled shoes. as I told you, I might open my hair. Depends on the outfit and how it's coming together. The outfit is same but just giving such a nice Indian look, and for people who want to add it more and want to wear it out to even like a formal event where you know that people are going to be dressed up a bit more, adding this Indian jacket completes this outfit. Take comfy DIY outfits from scratch for the win. This is all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is my favorite time of the year when all the festivals are starting, and I absolutely enjoyed it. We just had Janmashtami and Happy Independence Day, you guys. Today is Independence Day. Following that, we have Ayushi, Ganpati, Navratri, Diwali, Christmas, Onam, and the list goes on. 2020, as we all know, threw this big curveball in the name of Corona. It's not going to stop us from celebrating our festivals. From eco-friendly Ganpati to like social distancing Navratri, I am hearing so much and I'm all here for it. But when it comes to outfits, we obviously don't want to repeat what we wore last year. And we have nowhere to go. Tailor Chacha are not available, so we can't even make an outfit from scratch. So I went into my closet and decided, how can I reuse and repurpose outfits from what I wear every day? So like go out, go to work, and these all outfits are like totally separate from each other, but when combined together and with accessorized with Indian silver junk, they look so good. And for my international student, being an international student, like I have limited amount of outfits with me, so I came to States with just 2 suitcases. So all of my Indian outfits are very limited, but obviously I do want to celebrate my festivals. Do let me know if any of these outfits inspired you in the comments down below, and if you recreated any of these outfits, please don't forget to tag me, make a video on YouTube or tag me on Instagram. I would love to see those recreations. Yeah, you don't even have to go shopping. You're welcome for saving money. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every single Friday, and I will see you guys in the next video really soon. Till then, take care. Bye.